Hello, today we'll be making a quick and easy bread.
We need a cupcake pan, a spatula, a spoon, and a cooking spray.
We also need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of cheese, and 1 cup of milk. Roxanne?
We also need to wash your hands
before we do everything else. Now, we're going to take our dry ingredients first, because that's the rules of cooking, and we're going to pour it in. Oh wait, no, sorry. That's very sad. Now we mix.
Nope.
One hour later.
Continue mixing. And if the flour isn't, evenly in there, then we're gonna use our hands, which I'm gonna do right now. Make sure it's smooth.
Moments later.
I shall massage the bread to make sure it's even out. Well, that's for sure.
More moments later.
You can see my sister is making a ball out of the dough. And then after we're done, we are going to put it in the cupcake pan.
Which is
already sprayed, what my sister said. Then, when she's done making the balls, she's gonna put it into here.
Much later.
Now for the last dough ball. And it's hardened. Now time to put it in the oven. 12 minutes, this is what your bread should look like. Now my sister shall brush the bread with butter. And as you can see here, I'm also starting my Kakashi t-shirt. Naruto. It's already cooled down. That's good. It's actually really good.
Hi, this recipe makes 12 breads. To me, I think the bread was good. And tell me in the comments what you thought.
Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby apps in order to check out our electronic materials, including e-audiobooks and ebooks. Also, keep an eye out for more digital content from the North Channel branch and the Harris County Public Library systems. Thank you for watching.